I'm going to teach you a phrase that is going to help you in your journey. Hi. This is a form of greeting. This is a way to get someone's attention. This is a way to appropriately address someone. Hi. Hi. Hi, excuse me. Hi, thank you. Hi, I apologize. Hi, sir. Hi, ma'am. Okay? This is a greeting. Practice it. H. I is hi. This is a greeting. Keep learning. Keep doing good. And always remember,